stratosphere, and yes, we finally got some video from outside the car. Thanks to my buddy David. So I hope you're watching Mr. Dungeon. This is what you've been waiting for. So without further ado, let's enjoy some of that, and I'll catch you up on what's been going on. Intermittently in between, maybe, or at the end, I don't know. Anyway, enjoy. Alright, just keep going left.
Same route?
So, yeah, just literally a lap. Beautiful. Yes, so I've been keeping an eye on the half shafts, and sure enough, a little bit of grease started to leak out. Check the bolts, a little bit loose. Not sure what we do next, but I think Mike might be right. I think that they might be either too short or too long, and that's causing the issue overall. The root of the problem. Anyway, you don't care. Let's have some more footage of the car. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as David did. I didn't. I had to lug camera equipment all up and down the road. Anyway, I hope you did like it. Worthwhile tuning in. Next up on the Stratos front, hopefully some filming with a drone. Yes, one of these clever devices that actually follows the car. So that should be fun. We haven't been able to do it recently because it's been too windy. They're quite sensitive little creatures, these drones. I'll keep you posted, and in the meantime, again, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere, give the video a thumbs up, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.